How to change your age in Roblox. If you want to update the age associated with your Roblox account, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Roblox app or visit the Roblox website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, tap the More menu in the bottom right corner if you're using the app. Next, select Settings. Now, go to the Account Info section. If your date of birth hasn't been verified, tap or click on your date of birth and update it to the correct information. If your age has already been verified through Roblox's identity verification system, you won't be able to change your date of birth yourself. In that case, you'll need to contact Roblox support and provide the required information to request a correction. Once you've updated your date of birth, save the changes if prompted. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.